got the Rig Boost family out here today at OSW. Some of this awesome drift action. Keys to staying healthy. It's an awesome diet, all right? Jared eats this every day.
Oh yeah,
this is all he eats. This is how his physique stays immaculate, like how it is right here.
You could fit pizza in this, that's what I eat.
We are at the LZ Invitational here at OSW, Orlando Speed World, looking at some dope cars. Drift HQ is here. It's about to go down. We are at the LZ Invitational here at OSW, Orlando Speed World. Ooh, got my boy Jared, got the quick detail up like always. Every time you see Jared, he got that same red bottle in his hand, cleaning up.
I need to get McGuire's to sponsor me, bro.
I'm trying to tell you, because every time we put a video out, you're using it.
McGuire's.
What are you waiting for?
Jared said he needs a sponsorship. At Daily Driven Saline. That's my boy right there.
You better believe it.
The next one, again.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Z32, baby.
Now 40 on my flight, comfortable, only one thing on my mind, yeah. Going all out about something, been on that time, yeah. I can't fall down about nothing, never go die, yeah. And the whole game with me, black bags like Missy, black flags look windy, heard they got a whole plan.
Jared loves the Hot Wheel Porsche. I knew he was gonna go over there because he's a Porsche fanatic, and we all love Hot Wheels. Is it one of the ones?
I'm from a different cloth, you don't know what my pattern is. Everything is custom, it look perfect. Might give her the work cause she deserve it. I ain't acting humble cause I earned it. In that big black truck, I'm swerve. Yeah. Let me pick it back up. Black tent, black truck. One hand on, hold on. One hand on my cup. Counting up, don't rush me. Mount it up and get ugly. Mind your manners, you dusty. MC Hammer can't touch me. I made plans, then I made it come alive. Let it go. I made up my mind. We gon' slide. That's what I decide. Let them know. Let it to the side.
What are we looking at right here? I feel like it's blind. He said I feel like the car's blind. Where's the headlights? Bro, what the heck? got the Rig Boost family out here today at OSW. Some of this awesome drift action. Key to staying healthy is an awesome diet, all right? Jared eats this every day.
Oh yeah,
this is all he eats. This is how his physique stays immaculate, like how it is right here.
If you could fit pizza in this, that's what I eat.
We are at the LZ Invitational here at OSW, Orlando Speed World, looking at some dope cars. Drift HQ is here. It's about to go down. I had to zoom in on the Pistons, on the angry Pistons, and I just figured I'd grab your back in the meantime.
I appreciate it.
We got the kid right there. Complicated, don't play with the Cinnabon coffee.
This facial hair though, I don't know if I'm keeping this.
He said he don't know yet. It's a trial run.
I tried to shave my beard, it didn't work.
It didn't work.
I'm gonna tell you the same thing. Tell everybody when I'm working. I'm gonna take them shoes off of life support. I promise it to you. I need those cleaner, man, but I'm not. I ain't Jesus. I'm not gonna bring that back to life.
Oh, he ain't gonna turn water into wine.
Exactly.
Did you just
we're not gonna do that.
I don't know, man.
Jared don't even know. He's like, dang, how dare you?
How dare you?
I have worn these shoes like every day for the last 2 years.
Jared, ask him where his car at.
Yeah,
Bro,
Where your car at?
Where's your car, bro?
Where's your car?
Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car?
So where's your car?
Alright, we taking shots at each other.
Right. I got one quick question, right?
What's up?
You clean the shoes for a living.
Yeah.
Has anybody's feet, their shoes
Oh,
ever
my.
stink when they pull off their boots and you get ready to clean their shoe?
I've had like 4 people.
Did it smell like Fritos?
Nah, it didn't smell like Fritos. It smelled like mayonnaise that has been sitting there
Oh,
for a while.
mayonnaise.
So it's,
That's sick, dude.
nasty,
I'd have
yeah.
took their shoe and threw it.
I wanted to, but they're paying me good money to clean it. So I was like, you know
Hey,
what?
clean them shoes, boy. Them shoes clean, boy. Tall people problems right there. Look at that. He had to make his seat.
Shout out to my sponsor, Curious Elixirs.
Ooh, Curious Elixir.
You're not trying to get too lit, just trying to have a good time.
He drinking that potion. He drinking that potion, baby. Good. Hey, good.
40 horsepower LS2 C6 Corvette. Coming in very nice along the wall. Now, can you nail this transition? Very low adjustment in the front steering. What the good is want to see late on the transition though. Tidy, nothing too aggressive, but smooth. Very nice. Carry the car into that outer zone. Running out a little bit of gear towards the end of that outer zone. But another very good, a little more cautious than I anticipated, but now he's on it. Really nice car. Just came back from Drift Week. Did 2 weeks started it. A little bit off that outer zone. So I just want to see them commit to that outer zone very early. Got to it late. Now he's making it work. So it's late break there. All fluid. The hat is checked up a little bit. Definitely hoping it doesn't rain. Trying to get it done in 1 lap. Man going on the left front brake to try and break the front end of the car. Feels this car through the run, gets stronger with every turn. Low start drift coming in with a big entry here. Gets that outer zone. As wild as it looks. Certainly an exciting one, pushing to the limits of the track. But the judges explained we don't want to see you hit those barriers, we want to see you close. so easy. Let's see if he can put a score on the screen.
He's like, I'm just gonna beat the tires up now.
Chris Rudnick trying to do a really, really swooping transition, but it just overhooked on. Or B-30. This is. Sounds incredible, goes incredible, lots of smoke, lots of impact.
He wants the 2J.
Put a score on the board here like everyone else is. Three-powered. Oh, nice. You guys are seeing right now, you want to be so close to those barriers that they almost hit, but not quite. You hit them, it's a big deduction. If you get close, it's a big reward. Brad Dad coming in very hard in the Super. Oh, what an entry for Brad Dad. Throws down Mark 4 on the big angle. Forsberg gets very close to the barriers, but it doesn't make contact. This is a huge run from Brad Dad. Sam Lucas fires in, but overcooks it into that first corner. After a little bit of mechanical trouble earlier on, he said he got no practice in this particular car. Four men. Away on this. Up in LA. Big action. Looks like he's really at home in the shadow. Testing done, and he looks like he's a real contender for the competition. Sounds incredible too. Taylor Race. Putting it very wide, and he has always driven the other ground. Jimmy also really close to the outer zone. Not a lot of impact, but a lot of precision. DJ coming in very well with a big flick very early. Trying to make it work. They're too aggressive on the transition.
TJ took him out.
Leaving it all on the track. Risky entry, but makes it work. Got to get the rear end out the outer zones, and of course, this is 36 BMW. Nice smooth run so far as he takes it across the inner zone and across the finish line. His very own Ed Hodge shows George Horowitz. Nice catch the ball. Bumper hit off the barrier, dragging behind this 2 Series. Very late on angle for
I love that super.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who was who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Super 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that